Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you have received a message stating your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes, then there are several possible reasons why this has happened and several ways you can fix it. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Settings app on your mobile device, and once inside the settings, tap on the Apple ID option available on the top. Once you tap on your Apple ID or name, scroll down and there you will get to see sign out option available. Simply tap on the sign out and sign out of your Apple ID and log in again. Now go back to the settings again, and now inside the settings tap on the screen time. Scroll down inside the screen time and tap on the content and privacy restrictions option available there. Now once inside the content and privacy restrictions, simply make sure that all your options are in allow. Be sure that you have permissions in place that allow for installing apps, deleting apps, and in-app purchases. Once you have adjusted your settings, simply toggle off the content and privacy restrictions. Now go back to the settings again. And now this time, scroll till the up and tap on the Apple ID. Now scroll down again and tap on the payment and shipping option available there. Now simply change your payment option or add a new one. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.